What's up, everybody? Welcome to the EDC Conquest. We are back and we have another video here for you, fun little video in which we'll be getting into this box here, which contains a Leatherman. I recently, for the first time, took advantage of Leatherman's warranty service to warranty one of their products. As you may know, I am a huge Leatherman fan and have quite a few at this point. But the minimalist platform, when I want to carry a plier-based multi-tool, is generally, or at least has been, the Leatherman Skeletool. This is the CX version with the upgraded blade steel, and this one is just all black, which is nice. Yeah, this one is kind of the one that is my go-to, but before I had the CX version of the Skeletool, I bought the base model, just the 420HC all satin with the combo blade version of the Leatherman Skeletool. And that was the same knife that when a friend of mine carried all the time, that was his daily carry, and his knife, he kind of got me turned on to the platform. So I bought this knife, this Leatherman first, and then I kind of upgraded to this a little bit later. But when I still use this one quite a bit. And what happened was I had worn out the wire cutters in the plier head because they are not replaceable in the Skeletool, with it being a smaller, lighter duty tool. I had used up the cutters and they had kind of peened over, and they kind of had a clicking that they would kind of grab like that, and the plier head was misaligned and the blade was a little bit beat up. So I sent it into Leatherman, and I am just now getting a look at it. So we're going to open it up and see what we have here to look forward to, and if they fixed it. So we got here, there we go, Leatherman, back and ready to be used. Fantastic. Look at that. They got like a cardboard cage around it. That's interesting. Just unfold it there. Comes off the top. And there it is, my old Leatherman, which looks very almost new. Look at that. It was very much beat up before. So you can still see, I can tell this is the original Leatherman still, because this side piece and everything still had some of the scratches and the wear and everything right here. But the plier heads are brand new. Look at that. Look at that. Perfect centering on the plier heads again. So it looks like I got a brand new set of plier heads. The clip and arm, I don't think they messed with that, but the bits were very much worn and had the coating all worn out. So they gave me a complete new set of bits, another number 1 and number 2 Phillips head, dual-sided bit. Additionally, the back spring seems tighter as well. Looks like they tuned it up real nice. But that also gave me a nice brand new double-sided flathead, which is awesome. So I kind of hadn't been using this tool for those reasons, but look at that. I can't tell if they sharpened. Did they sharpen it, or is this a new blade? I think they sharpened it. Yeah, I still see I can still see some of the like scratches on the blade here. Like right up here, there's a couple very, very faint ones. I don't know if you can see it on camera. It looks almost brand new, but the edge was in rough condition, so it looks like they sharpened it up for me, cleaned up the blade real nice. Looks like I got new washers, or at least they cleaned the washers in the pivot on that on the blade there. You can kind of see the bronze. I don't know if you can see that right there. We'll get camera to focus in on it. Right there. Anyways, yeah, that's really cool. So it looks like nice and smooth as we like it. Nice and clean, because it wasn't the cleanest when I sent it in. But yeah, no, those plier heads are perfect. It closes super smoothly. There's no grabbing or biting. So awesome. Yeah, that will be definitely put into use moving forward. So all that to say, I believe I am very much impressed with how Leatherman's warranty department handled this particular claim. So this, yeah, so the Leatherman Skeletool is a great minimalist platform. So when I am carrying one, I'm probably going to continue to carry the straight edge or plain edge one with the 154 cm blade over this one for just like a minimalist everyday carry, but this will definitely find its way into a bag or an auxiliary kit of some sort now that it has been refurnished back to full health, essentially. So yeah, no, I am very much impressed with the quality of their and thoroughness of their cleaning and repair on this particular tool. So all that to say, yes, I believe Leathermans are still worth it. Although Leatherman's prices have increased recently for some of their models, I do believe that what you get from a based company like Leatherman, which includes their warranty, as you can see, they hold to it very, very nicely and will definitely get you taken care of if you have a claim or issue or anything like that. But the quality for Leathermans are just outstanding, and I haven't had an issue with Leatherman outside of the one that they have resolved most excellently in this particular instance. So yeah, all that to say, Leatherman's warranty is one of the things that makes Leatherman still worth it. So I believe everyone should own a Leatherman, and if you don't want a giant, bulky Leatherman, like the one that I carry every day, this is the Leatherman Arc, is kind of a bigger, heavier tool, more full tool set. I can definitely recommend either of these Skeletools in that lineup for just a base coverage of all of your everyday carry needs. Make sure to smash that like and subscribe button, and tune in next time. I have more coverage on the way, and as always, make sure that we are staying prepared out there. There's a lot of crazy things going on in the world right now, and you'd be amazed how far a simple Leatherman or multi-tool can be an asset in different situations. So yeah, get yourself a Leatherman and you'll be better for it. So thanks guys, make sure to like and subscribe, and I will catch you in the next video. Stay sharp.